Flipping a house can be a lucrative venture if done right. Here are the top tips to keep in mind when flipping a house. Know your market. Understanding the local real estate market is crucial. Research the neighborhood thoroughly to determine what buyers are looking for in terms of amenities, style, and price range. Create a realistic budget that includes the purchase price, renovation, and holding costs, such as property taxes and utilities, and selling expenses like realtor fees and closing costs. Be sure to add a buffer for unexpected expenses, as renovations often uncover hidden issues. Not all renovations add equal value to a property. Focus on high return upgrades that improve the property's appeal without breaking the bank. And price it right. The success of a house flip largely depends on pricing it correctly. Overpricing can result in the property sitting on the market for too long, leading to increased holding costs and potential price reductions. Work with a knowledgeable real estate agent to determine the optimal listing price based on market conditions, comparable sales, and the property's unique features.